Good morning, student. I am Devin Chaturvedi, and today I am introducing a new video related to integer. So I have explained earlier YouTube about integers and their properties. So in this video, I am going to introduce you the solutions of the given integers. First, I have given some addition based example. After that, the subtraction base. So I will start. So student, the first example is based on addition. How can we add 45 and minus 28? So you use brackets. In place of and put the symbol of addition, then minus 28. Then 45, here is a symbol of positive and negative become negative, and 28. Now further check, this is a positive integer and this is a negative. So when we add positive and negative integer, we put sign of greater number. So here is 45 is greater than 28, and we put sign of greater number. Now subtract a smaller number from greater without checking sign. So 15 minus 8 becomes 7, and 3 minus 2 is 1. The final answer is positive 17. Now student, second example is based on subtraction. To subtract minus 73 from minus 101. So you can note down the number which comes after from. This is minus 101, and put the symbol of subtraction minus and the second integer minus 73. Again open the brackets. There is minus 101, and similar for the previous one, plus minus minus, but minus minus plus 73. Again here is a negative and positive number, so you can put the sign of greater number, which is 101, and minus sign, and subtract 73 from 101 without checking sign. So 11 minus 3, that is 8, and here is 9. 9 minus 7, that is 2. Minus 28 will be the correct answer of this one. Here is some error which is made by a student. Without looking sign, they can note down minus and add these two integers by looking the positive sign. You must know the procedure. When the opposite integers are seen, there will be a subtraction and sign of greater number. So student, I hope you will understand the addition and subtraction. So student, here is a bird problem which is based on integer. The starting is, it was minus 4 degrees Celsius during the night. The temperature rose by 9 degrees Celsius during the noon. And what is the temperature now? Means at initial temperature is minus 4 degree, and the rising temperature will 9 degree at noon. So you know the temperature at noon. The solution is, the initial temperature at night, this is minus 4 degrees Celsius, and temperature rose at noon is equal to plus 9 degrees Celsius. So temperature is now minus 4 degree Celsius and plus, this is the symbol of increase, 9 degree Celsius. Again put the sign of greater number, 9 minus 4, that is 5 degrees Celsius. So student, the temperature at noon be positive 5 degrees Celsius. So I hope you will understand the term integer with these examples. Now I'm going to introduce another example. So student, here are two example, which is identify the final answer be negative or positive. If you will product negative 1 be 25 times, the answer will negative or positive. So solution of first example. Look here, since n is equal to 25, which is odd number, if we product minus 1 into odd numbers of times, odd numbers of time, odd number of times, the answer will negative, and the product of 1 1 ja 1 1 1 ja 1 1 1 ja 1 will remain same, then answer will negative 1. But if we product of negative number into even numbers, even number of times, the answer will positive. So student, you will only check the number of times minus 1 is repeated be odd or even. If the odd number of time you face, then answer will remain same, minus 1. But if the product is will come in the even number of time, the answer will come in positive 1. Okay student, so I hope you will understand these terms related to integer, and you have difficulties to solve the exercises, you can watch the earlier videos sent by me. So student, now I will give you some question to solve and write the answer in comment box also. First part, by which number is 32 divided, the result will negative 32. Second, which number is divided by minus 54, so result is 1. Next number, what is the result of if 81 is divided by minus 3? Next question, what is the number which is divided by minus 1 become 99? The last question for you, solve 42 divided by 2 minus 2, which is further divided by minus 7. You got the result positive or negative. Write your answers in comment box. So student, I hope you will understand the concept of integer and try to solve question. We will meet our in my next video. Thank you very much.